Hi everyone, please join me. For work I will use 1.4 mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters and 50 grams. Seed beads. Before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn and round beads. In this video you will see how to crochet my unique project. All additional information about the kind of tools could be found in the description of this video tutorial. Please join me and let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet the cord. I will begin from the segment, make a chain, pull up the working loop, take a bead, put it on the hook, take the working loop, pull it through, make a chain with bead, continue, then chain of 5 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the chain stitch. This is the first chain stitch. Make a slip stitch. Then chain of 5 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the chain stitch with bead. Make a slip stitch. My foundation for the segment is ready. I continue working on my segment. Make a chain. I do not pull it. Work into the chain space and thread. Insert the hook into the thread. Make a slip stitch. Make slip stitch with chain 6 times. I'm making chain with seed bead. Make a chain with bead and pull it. Make a slip stitch. 2. Make a chain with seed bead. Like this. 3. Make a chain with seed bead. 4. Five. Make a chain with seed bead. And 6. Here what I have. In total it should be 5 seed beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everything is correct. Make a chain and work with the opposite side. Make 8 slip stitches. I will count only slip stitches. Chain and slip stitch 2 and chain 3 and chain 4 and chain 5 and chain 6 and chain 7 and chain 8. Here what I have. My trim is ready for the second side. Insert the hook into the chain stitch at the beginning of this round, make a slip stitch. My beautiful segment is ready. This is the first one. Let's crochet the second segment. For this, make a chain. The base will be the same for the next one. Take a bead, put it on the hook. Take the working loop, pull it through, make a chain with bead. Then chain of 5 for the chain space for the base. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the chain stitch. Make a slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the chain stitch with bead. Make a slip stitch. My base is ready. And for beginning, I will crochet the side without seed beads. Make a chain. Work into the chain space and thread. Make 8 slip stitches and chains. 1 and chain, 2 and chain, 3 and chain, 4 and chain, 5 and chain, 6 and chain, 7 and chain, 8. My first side is ready. Continue, make a chain, turn the work, make a slip stitch. I take seed beads and work with seed beads. Make chain with seed bead. I did the first slip stitch. Make a chain with seed bead. Make the second slip stitch and chain. 3 and chain with seed bead. 4 and chain with seed bead. 5 and chain with seed bead. And the 6th one. Insert the hook into the chain stitch that I did at the beginning of this round by making a slip stitch. My second side is ready. Let's stop and look. I straight up my chains with seed beads. In total it should be 5. Let's check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everything is correct. So I'm done 2 segments in my cord. Let's crochet the third one. Then you will see how to finish my cord. So I will crochet the third one as the first segment. Let's crochet the base for the next one. Make a chain, pull up the working loop, take a bead, put it on the hook, take the working loop, pull it through, make a chain, with bead. Then chain of 5 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the chain stitch. Make a slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the chain stitch. Make a slip stitch. I'm working with seed beads on this side. Make a chain. Insert the hook into the chain space and thread. Take seed beads. I did the first slip stitch. Make the second slip stitch and chain with seed bead. Chain. And the third one. And the fourth one. And chain with seed bead. And the fifth one. And chain stitch with seed bead. Let's make the last 6 slip stitch. The first side is ready. Make a chain, turn the work. As I did before, make 8 slip stitches with chains. 1 and chain, 2 and chain, 3 and chain, 4 and chain, 5 and chain, 6 and chain, 7 and chain, 8. Insert the hook into the chain stitch. To complete this round, work with a slip stitch into the chain stitch at the beginning of this round. My round is ready and third segment is done. Here what I have. Then you should repeat as many times as you need for your cord. Then I will show you how to complete it. Once I have done the last stitch, now I show you how to complete my cord. To secure the yarn by making a chain and pull it. You can leave a long piece of yarn to sew the stuff for the jewelry. And let's stop and look what I have done. So that's it, my project is ready. I remind you all additional information about the tools, kind of tools, useful links could be found in the description of this video tutorial. For this project I use 2 kinds of beads, such as seed beads and round beads, crochet hook, and a ball of yarn. You can choose your favorite color of yarn. This is my own project I created recently for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Follow me in social media and of course crochet with me and learn more. If you don't like project with seed beads, please visit my channel and find a lot of video tutorials in different techniques such as flowers, 3D crochet, leaves, crochet elements and projects, and crochet motifs and how to join them together to create a large piece of work. Such kind of project could be part like a separate motif, and you can use it like a bracelet, belt, or another accessories. You can crochet one segment and use like a brooch or earring or pendant. Or it could be part of big projects such as Irish or Gipper laces. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use this project. See you next time and good luck in crocheting. Bye!